Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where creativity knows no bounds. Today, join us on a journey through the circle of nature as we blend the organic beauty of flowers with the sturdy strength of bricks. First, Rosie delicately sketches the outline of a perfect circle symbolizing the harmony found in nature's cycle. With each stroke, she captures the essence of growth and renewal. Next, Rosie adds layer of color, each brush stroke echoing the delicate petals of a blooming flower. The canvas comes to life, bursting with the energy of the natural world. Now, Rosie introduces an unexpected element bricks. These humble building blocks represent strength and stability, grounding the artwork in the solidity of the earth. As the final touches are added, a mesmerizing blend of soft and hard, delicate and strong emerges. Rosie has created a masterpiece that celebrates the interconnectedness of all things. Join us next time for another artistic adventures with Rosie, where imagination knows no bounds. Until then, keep watching, keep creating, keep exploring, and stay blessed. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Artistic Adventures by Rosie and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much.